Hello and welcome. Today I'm sharing an in-depth review of the WORX WX098.9 multifunction air pump. I already own several WORX cordless tools, so I was excited to see this new addition to their lineup. I had considered the previous model, but learning that this updated version offers many more features convinced me to go for it. The packaging is compact and clearly labeled with all the features you'd expect from WORX. Inside, everything is well protected, the user manual and the air pump itself wrapped in a soft cloth bag. Examining the unit, the quality is excellent. It feels sturdy and the plastic is strong. Buttons are on the front, ports on the side, with a slot for the battery and a convenient grab handle. The lid is held by magnets, opening to reveal attachments for low-pressure inflation, perfect for balls, airbeds, kayaks, and more, along with a flexible hose. Underneath the pump is another compartment which holds the high-pressure hose and additional accessories. Rubber feet help keep the unit stable during operation. Connecting the high-pressure hose is simple. It screws on securely. On the other end of the hose is the valve clamp, so you can connect to Schrader-type tire valves. On the opposite side, there's a slot for a power share battery which fits perfectly. At the front, the power button turns the unit on. The screen is clear and the mode button allows switching between high and low pressure settings. Holding the mode button lets you toggle pressure units, PSI, bar, etc. using the scroll wheel. When you've chose the one you want, simply use the scroll wheel to choose your desired pressure. Then click the orange button to start or stop the pump. A small light is also included. Okay, let's give this a go with an inflatable single mattress. Here I'll need to attach the low-pressure hose with the narrow end attachment which fits into the mattress's inflation port and connect it to the low-pressure inflation outlet. Power on. Set to low pressure. Turn it on. Impressive result! The pump can also deflate the mattress using the top port. Nice one! I also tried this on a bicycle tire. Using the included Presta valve adapter, the pump inflated the tire to the desired pressure in no time and automatically stopped when complete. Now onto a car tire. Using the same process, set the pressure, turn on, monitor the screen, and it stops when done. And finally, a motorcycle tire. The pump performed just as efficiently. Even after all this, the battery still showed full. In summary, the WORX WX098.9 is a versatile, reliable, and well-built air pump suitable for everything from sports equipment to vehicle tires. If you're thinking about buying one, don't hesitate. Gotta get one today. That concludes this review. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.